we have last but not least, the Power Pak. The Power Pak goes a little further than the Maya. The Power Pak seems to get to areas that the Maya doesn't. The Power Pak, as it is described, tells you that you will be packed with power. And that also is composed not only of the 14 herbs, but we have 23 herbs in the Power Pak. Because it has elements in it that is different from the Maya Electra. We added herbs such as the Semecotua. We also add the cordoncillo negro, like from here, from Honduras. And these herbs have a tendency to go straight to the brain, electrifying the system, adding to it. The Maya Electra being iron, it concentrates in the blood. But the other one, the Power Pak, addresses not only the blood, but the brain, the electrical system of the body. So we have compounds that are for therapy and compounds to maintain energy. Using that platform that we mentioned, the understanding that if the substance is non-electrical, why should I take it? Why should I permit such a thing to enter my system? Because it would not assimilate. Assimilate? Yes, assimilate. Assimilation is necessary. Assimilation only means that your body have accepted it. And the body, like the earth, only accept those things that are electrical and natural. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, the earth, if you drop a piece of paper that came from a tree, it would biodegrade. But if you drop a piece of plastic on the surface of Mother Nature, no. She rejects it because it did not come from her laboratory, it came from someone else's. So you see, we have examples all around us. So just keep in mind that the human body, to begin with, is electrical, and that it needs an electric substance to electrify it. That's common sense. You cannot electrify an electric body with dead substance. Now, that doesn't equate.